How can you eat garlic and not smell it? I don't even understand. Like, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy Neka and I'm really excited to be here today. So today's video is a fun one from the title. Just in case you can tell, we're going to be predicting my baby gender using old wives' tale. So we're going to see how accurate like the old wives swear. I'm really excited about these. I don't know about you, to be honest. Like, I'm really excited. So currently I'm about 16 weeks pregnant as of when filming this, and this is just for fun. I really don't know, like I don't know what to believe. I really don't know if I believe that you know, this is accurate or using these methods are accurate, but let's not dwell on that. Let's just get right into it. But you already know, if at this time you're not subscribed, like, come on, what are you waiting for? Like, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below. I really love to hear from you. So without talking much more, let's get right into this and let's have some fun. I'm gonna jump right in. So before we get into this video properly, I wanted to say that we already found out the gender of our baby as of when I'm filming this video right now, but we've just not seen it. So we have a gender. We have the gender of our baby in a piece of paper, in an envelope, and it's with a friend who's organizing a gender reveal, a little gender reveal for us. So I decided to come on here and try this just for the fun of it and see if it's actually correct. Some of these are questions, some of these are like edibles, or rather not edibles. no, some of these are questions, while some of these are like food cravings and a bunch of different things. So the first question is, are you craving salty or sweet food right now? So let me see. I'll honestly say I'm craving sweet. Like, now I find myself wanting a lot of juice, a lot of ice cream, you know, a lot of like sweet stuff. Definitely not so much salty. So let's see what they say about that. They say if you find yourself craving all things sweets, that's a sign you're having a girl. Oh boy. Amen to that. So 1 point for girl and 0 point for boys. So craving for salty or even protein-rich food mean it might be a boy. Well, this time around is the sweet craving that takes it home. So 1 point for the baby girl. So it says garlic test, but honestly, I'm not about to do that because right now, even the smell of garlic like really disgusts me. Sorry to those watching who love garlic. So it says put this one to the test at your own and your partner's risk. If you're able to eat a lot of garlic but not smell it, apparently that means you're kind of girl. Like, how can you eat garlic and not smell it? I don't even understand. Like, is that even possible? So apparently if you're able to eat garlic, a lot of it, so they say, and not smell it, then it means you're kind of girl. And if you're able to smell it, which honestly right now I can't even stand the smell, it means you're kind of boy. So now I'm beginning to get confused. So I guess the boys takes this one this time around. So 1 for the boys, 1 for the girls. So the next one, it says pregnancy glow or not. Honestly, I'm not glowing. Like, I'm getting darker, I'm getting a lot of acne, a lot of breakouts. So even without reading this, I already know what the answer is. If your complexion is bright and your hair resembles that of a Pantene commercial, you could be having a boy. Oh boy. Definitely this is a no for the boys. If you're team boy, this is definitely a no for you, because right now there is no pregnancy glow happening right here. So if that much talked about pregnancy glow is MIA and you're breaking out, yes please, it may just mean you've got a girl growing. So I guess that means 2 for the girls, 1 for the boy. Oh boy, like, this is becoming interesting. So the next one is the heart rate. So during your next ultrasound, pay attention to baby's heart rate. If that little ticker is beating faster than 140 beats per minute, get ready for a baby girl. So we recently just went for an ultrasound, so I'm just gonna use that, and our baby's heart rate was at 150 per minute. So it says here, if it's beating faster than 140 beats per minute, get ready for a baby girl. So I guess, wow, the girls are winning it. Like, baby girl is winning it. Amen, amen, amen. Like, so that goes 3 for the baby girl and 1 for the baby boy. So the next one basically involves me tying my wedding ring onto a string, and if it goes round and I'm dangling it all over, like, or rather above my stomach. And if it goes round, let me see, it says if it swings in circle, it's a boy. If it swings back and forth, it means it's a girl. So I'm just gonna go get like a string, and honestly, I don't have my wedding band on. I usually don't put it on. I'm just gonna use the engagement ring, and let's see. So it says to put it on the string. So this needs me to lighten. And let's see, it says what the, so as you can see, can you see this? If it goes around in circle, it's a baby boy, and right now this is in circle. And all right, team boys, that coming up, that coming up, back and forth, it's a baby girl. So I think that makes it 2 or 3 for baby boys. Very next one, guys, has to do with your ultrasound. So if you see me holding this is the reason why. So it basically says if you've had an ultrasound before 20 weeks, right? If you have an ultrasound before 20 weeks, the position of your baby, according to the old wives, has anybody actually posted like old wives tale? Like how? Like who are the old wives? Who came up with this stuff? So if you've had an ultrasound before 20 weeks and your baby is centered more to the right, that means it's a baby boy. And if it's centered more to the left, that means it's a baby girl. So these are my ultrasound pictures from a couple of days back. Like I said to you all, we went in, we got an ultrasound of our baby. It's already like written out, but we are yet to find out. Hopefully we should find out by this weekend. So stay tuned if you want to see if our old wives tale prediction was actually right or wrong. So I'm just gonna look at this. It says if the baby is centered more to the right, it's a baby boy. If it's centered more to the left, it's a baby girl. So let's see. Honestly, sometimes I can't make out what these pictures are. So I'm just gonna show you one of these. So this is how it's looking. So you tell me, what do you think? Is the baby centered to the right or to the left? I'm going to take a look now and see. I think the baby is centered more towards this side from this picture. So this is my right? So this is my right and this is my left. So the baby is more towards my right than my left. So I guess that means it's a baby boy, right? Yep. So that means it's a baby boy. I'm so invested in this. We have to catch up. No time to dull. So let's see. All right, guys, so the final one, the last one I have on here basically is the Chinese calendar. So I've seen this all around going. So basically I just put in like the Chinese calendar and it just popped up for me. It asked me for my birth dates, my ADD, and I put those in, and guess what? Guess what, people? Like, it says it's a baby girl. So look at this, showing you this. So this is how it looks. So it says it's a baby girl, and it even goes ahead to give me like name suggestions for baby girls and all that. So I think I'm just gonna end it here right now. I'm like literally I'm confused, to be honest, like who goes home with what. I think maybe the boys have it 4 and the girls have it 4. I'm not so sure. Video, of course, I'm going to do my calculations. I just want you all to leave like your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. Do you really believe in the old wives tale? Like, I'm really excited for our gender prediction even more, because I want to see how accurate this is. So let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. Do you really believe this works? So thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, as usual, you know what to do. Like, hit that subscribe button down below, like smash it, hit it, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you around. Bye.